Hey guys, this is Sean over at Jaguar Power Sports, located here in Jacksonville, Florida. This is one of our biggest selling, fastest selling models. It is the 800cc 5-seat model. It is 4x4. Now this model comes in both the ST version and the LT version, and this right here is the ST. The biggest difference between the two is the lift height, the lift kit, the upgraded rims and tires, and then the heated seats. This model, although is standard, comes fully loaded with all the options. Now, if you're not familiar with this brand, Massimo actually produces for a lot of the big names. The motors, the transmissions, the lift kits, everything is actually, a lot of these models are actually made on the Kawasaki, Honda, Polaris, and these are fully loaded. You get the windshield, you get the winches, you'll get the tilt bed. You have a lot of room and a lot of options included in the price. Now, this 800cc also comes in 1000cc, and there's a lot of room on this bad boy. We're gonna go ahead and, I'm a 6'1", and on the short travel, you have the same distance as the long travel. I'm 6'1", and you have a lot of room with a lot of, the seats go forward and backwards, and you have a lot of height. You can do 6'4", 6'5" easily with these. We have a lot of basketball players and NFL players that actually ride these as well. You have doors that is an optional, that's normally optional with every other brand. It is included with the Massimos. And then you have liquid cooled. Let's look under the hood. And there's no a la carte pricing. The great reason that we have these is they're fully loaded. So you get the winch, you'll get the digital display, you'll get the rear hitch, you'll get the digital. The whole thing is all included. You get the windshield, is normally a la carte pricing. So usually we'll save about anywhere from $10,000 to $17,000 on this model right here, based on a Kawasaki, Honda, Polaris. And a lot of the components are actually made from the Massimo factory and the OS factory, and they're actually being produced on those. So you want to make sure that you don't write these things off. We have a great warranty, great parts support. You can come around and you can actually see that this actually has a light bar on the top. You have the electric winch. You have the winch that can actually get plugged in right into the dash. You have up and down hydraulic lift. That's all included. Now this hydraulic normally is about $2,000 to $3,000 at normal factories, but this is all included as an option. It's a standard option with all of our models. You got your storage here that locks. You have keys. You have a hitch in the back that gets included as well. And not only do these store a lot of capacity back here, but you also have a lot of weight, a lot of room for your back passengers. As I said, I'm 6'1", and with the seat that can go forward and backwards, you have your grab handle here, and I have 2-3 inches at the worst case scenario, and this can go forward 3-4 inches, and I have a lot of headroom. So you have seat belts for all passengers. It's a 5-seater. So whereas a lot of people only have a 4-passenger vehicle, this is a 5-passenger with doors that are included, with the windshield that is included, mirrors that is included, the winch. Everything is fully loaded at one great price. Now we do ship nationwide, so if you are not local, we can get this to you. There's nationwide service centers all over the country. This is a national brand, so we have these in stock. We're actually one of the largest dealers in the country for the Massimos and ODs, and that means our pricing is going to be the best. There is not another factory or manufacturer that comes close to these, and they're in stock, and that's the biggest thing. If you're looking for an 800cc or a 1000cc, long travel or short travel, we have both in stock ready to go. If you have any questions, please reach out to one of our sales reps at 904-693-1663. We have amazing financing options available, and you can visit our website, www.jaguarpowersports.com. If you have any questions, my name is Sean, but we'd love to earn your business. If you have any questions, please give us a call, and make sure you check out this 800cc Massimo side by side, because you are not gonna miss it.